throughout this video lesson. Today, we will be adding and subtracting simple fractions and mixed numbers with or without regrouping. Just remember these mnemonics. We do love and care. Salute. We will be using the first letters of these words. So we have W, D, L, A, C, and S. W stands for whole numbers. D stands for dissimilar fractions. L is for LCD, or the least common denominator. A is for add or subtract. C, copy the common denominator. And S is to simplify. Let's do it together. We do love and care. Salute! For the first example, we will be adding a mixed numbers and a simple fraction. So we have 3 and 1/2 plus 1/6. The first thing that we need to do is copy the whole number. Since we only have one whole number here, which is 3, so we write 3. Then, the dissimilar fractions will be changed into similar fractions. Since we have two dissimilar fractions here, because the denominators are not the same, so we're going to change it into similar fractions by finding the LCD, or the least common denominator. And the LCD for 2 and 6 is 6. So, we write 6 here. This fraction pertains to this fraction. And this fraction pertains to this fraction. We're going to get the numerators here by dividing its denominators and multiplying the answer to its numerator. Just like this. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. Therefore, the numerator here is 3. For the second fraction, we're going to do the same process as what we did in the previous. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, the numerator here is 1. Let's try to look at these new fractions. Are they now similar fractions? Yes. Why do you say so? Because they have the same denominator. So what's the next thing to do? We're gonna add the whole numbers and the numerators. Since we only have one whole number here, which is 3, so we write 3. Add the numerators. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Then, copy the common denominator. The common denominator is 6. So, we copy 6. What's the final thing to do? We're going to simplify. We simplify fractions by finding a GCF, or the greatest common factor. We must find a number that is divisible to its numerator at the same time divisible to its denominator. And the number divisible to 4 and divisible to 6 is 2. So we write 2. And that is the greatest common factor of 4 and 6. So we copy the whole number 3. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Is this now in its simplest form? 3 and 2/3? Yes. Therefore, this is now the final answer. 3 and 2/3. How did you find our lesson? Did you enjoy it? Mathematics is very easy. Just do it.